Ebusiama mema akwaba and found Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe. Then the notification also on so that anytime I post a video, bit say we are. Ebusiamfo. Minim ne see. John Mahama His Excellency. Or see oye the reset tour. Now reset tour oye no. Or the above Volta region ha. Na ebusiamfo ayestre keke. It's just funny. Do you know why? Volta region ha. Omampeni John Mahama say. Oba beye reset tour oba inspective project ni commission project no ebusiamfo. Afe na papa we be kati sort. 1 year, 7 months in power. The president is now cutting sword in Volta region. Now, Volta region for me, some of these things, I don't need to say it over and over and over. I don't think I have to say it over and over. Because, look, these NDC people just don't take you serious. What will it take for you to realize it? Me, I'm voter for it. My own people. NDC simply does not take you seriously. Say after 1 year, 7 months in power, I feel now man pay over voter region be kati sword. Say ye start project. Come on. Assembly hall has been in existence since. I feel now you see man pay Bible commission assembly hall no. Ah. Because where they me oju won just here. Now what can I say? You know the same being. Assembly hall. I war. Think it even started under Mahama 1.0. MPP came to do the majority of it. I feel now my parents are called Volta region. So they move all this V8, Toyota Land Cruiser V8, F1 or Munina to come and commission assembly block. And my people in Volta. Oh. Whenever I see the way me crop for more Volta region, with the kind of suffering I suffer. Beyond all this suffering I suffer, still omu NDC omu John Mahama His Excellency, the way omu yet was na makuma. Because the level of poverty of Volta region hanu goodness enya grassem. The poverty level of Volta region enya grassem. It's not a joke. But somehow, when these people see NDC colors, they forget about their pain, they forget about the disappointment, they forget about the no development in the region, and my people, it's painful. Very, very, very painful. Because we are all suffering. Of Volta region. And to me, it shocks me how they are able to forget about the pain and everything when they see NDC4.
The point still remains, say Ghana no. Ye method that ye differ and in fact, President Mahama, then they must be ashamed of themselves. Because the same NDC and the MPP na match and even a friend saying a master case here, a court of competent jurisdiction. Create dia semen kwa ma ye convicted ma me kwa NDC for so monti asenti mo de ma me na kotene fie e wo ne dem na ori brodo ni cheese pending an appeal na miracle aje dem gbachi no ho me say I'm not defending Sikano. I don't know the first saying the full facts of the case me there I am limiting my commentary on the fact the modus operandi amode action crofo no amode chin crofo wi na ma ye bail me say na Martin Pebu no the bailable offenses case to Supreme Court to crack and say the way I NDC teaching Crawford said him. Now Martin Pebu is saying this the way I NDC teaching Crawford I said that bail conditions are we are I say yes no bail condition as a bonsamo bail conditions. Just a what drain say one man nipa no tough bail condition said about nipa to me meet bail condition net is a down obey them. How? Why? Hounding your political opponent. You see, and say this in here and can wink normal because MPP for so yebi. Kokwa nyido ye wa hana mochi kokwa nyido ko police headquarters yan mungai. And this is supported bebe bunkam ko MPP police headquarters mungai. Enti this is not a opening MPP for chene de ne court. Charges bebre gunuso calling that MPP for chene de ne court. Charges bebre gunuso. Enti it is not the channel and it is not the fact that the person is being charged. What I say, I didn't code na court. For me, no, I am limiting my comments because I can't chene de MPP for chibi and this for so chibi. Enti the value is the same. But the issue is the modus operandi, the method of operation na mo use na. Mo chin crofwa na ma shada ma mo de na kosie, mo chin nipa in the Rambo style. Mo wie so na mama ni bail conditioner on to me meeti. Mama no I 50 million Ghana cedis to be justified. They just uncle fast say Ghana for do send a one say omukuta ngrata. Ghana for then do send more landed property. I want to limit my comments no because you see a double standard and I'm trust the same way to Facebook. Hypocrisy and a double standard on the part of NDC. This is big time hypocrisy, big time double standard on the part of NDC because and that double standard ni hypocrisy nya atuma brony beye na moya. Why will NDC me see you fight corruption is understood. You obi abeboa government to fight corruption because one see the cracker politician be botoma obi wu no. Because as can be to me save obi. E betimi ato bed wo kolebu, e betimi ato bed wo konfanoche. Yentia na mesbe oni akowuye no. Yentia na kaso agelia wedi 27 okowuye si bed you know to owuye on ne banyina ewuko no. Eti media politician nya miracle aboaji o, hwan yo John Mahama Kufuado ba wo mia wan politician bia be kaso afa sempo ani taku. As long as there's evidence to prove beyond reasonable doubt, tie o nti na no NDC for buy a kitchen blog so an nkofo enko chasing nkofo no mo de go to airport enko chi o me ka se sebe enko asem nyam senim because Ghana ha ye law e bi na segbe fi akoka weekend o UK actually nkofo na come back to that video yen sorry keke nchen nkofo when there's rule of law me kan kitchen blogger na anti ase no for se me de no hu hia me sa what I say but the point I was making is Ghana ni bia the law does not lie in your anus, the law certainly does not lie in your mouth, the law does not lie in your hands. And then who and I'll bet you the law near fanye. The laws now chroma dija a criminal act no. And what that say was a winner reasonable cause and stand what you be. And you need evidence here and coach it. And I would show this based on reasonable cause of crime. Yes, I want anybody guilty. Abu a trick I actually okay. I think America for no prove against beyond reasonable doubt. What I say into any evidence here and coach it. But me point and it's a chinny there. And this MPP omunya reasonable cause kitu ebi omutumichi and I've given you examples kokwa nyido afoko hwan omachi omunyina and the MPP for chibi and NDC for so chibi me point and say wo NDC also fight corruption NDC also ye aura ye nyina ye boa wa ma ye aura also ye aura granted to na go dey we dey support am also wo chinkofo ama corruption wa ji esika fi wo to na go dey we dey support am what you say. But what buy what filing nolly prosecutor, what discontinue cases of corruption. Again, bro. What you was saglemi housing project. Ni was saglemi ne si wono. Ya spend this sika pay. A dying was a contract and isima and when simu even 2,000 housing units. Till saglemi housing no. MPP for to a lot of people made the case ya abandoned saglemi project. It was because there was an injunction on saglemi project because that case no court. But I digress. Come back to the issue. The issue is that wo ba ya was corruption. The same corruption na ye koji sika because ye ni NDC sika, any MPP sika, obidi sika we di Ghana sika simplicity. Udi sika we di Ghana sika simplicity. Enti NDC for the corruption charges so to causing law financial loss to the state. A year first a malfeasance. A year first a opening case or Collins Dada case on Saglemi housing project, and then Collins Dada, we Collins Dada no as a politician in Kenya. The contractor had cases to answer because Yama Sikasi Sidine, when 6,005 units kura, o say yan sama of face two sika, abroni bayenti, almost sama of face two sika, Yama of face two sika, be Sydney, 1,500 units per and a contractor and a year, na 1,500 units, the map teacher for almost a month. Because a bona a day more matter over 200,000 Ghana cedis. teacher for no say wo de mo let no you ubie toilet cry just watch who say asana we bie toilet door. It is not project say nkuko bo dan no musisi ho no ye so omonye sewage system omanye onye a first a proper refuse collection ni drainage benya central be connected to temade no contractor na anye and so you trace kanema. This is clear case of causing financial loss to the state. First phase, you know, houses no cry 1,500 units mo discontinue saglemi housing open case mo discontinue one case more discontinue all the cases involving NDC and the corruption more discontinue cases. But surprisingly, allegations and no charging memo afena more charge miracles near de omo afena more charge omo afena more investigation. The surprisingly when you evim when you akukudro and no dey more proceed na momo cases e court no and no dey mo call for ni nyina. That is the double standard. How is it that ni nyina corruption cases oh ni nyina ba mo cases say NDC de enye corruption it more discontinue case ma file nolly prosecute but MPP for case they need more corruption into and more continue case. This is where the double standard is. But I can Ghana sika nko obi edi me say miracle edi sika ni yesi mo nkoje I will be the number one person to support you mo nkoje mra miracle onye ni panche obi ya mo nkoje mra. But when you have discontinued your cases and you are now pushing, persecuting, prosecuting and chasing your opponent, master, I know that you have no moral right to do that. And yes to kind you when you seen Piansan where you will be there. You have no moral right. What discontinue all cases and go for this car? I no crowd and cases not travel like on any man. I can't to be and bet me. Either so be jailing for fun and I'll be retrieving a sick man. And know the way discontinue. But MPP for one cases that you are chasing them, double standard. Double standard. Double standard. One my bail conditioner. Clearly, you can see say the intention of the bail conditioner is to make sure say nipa meet bail condition. Why are you doing this? Politics must serve us. And your politics of abroad, politics of inshushuanimu, politics of yimu, politics of a miniadia and your corruption, by your MPP there corruption. When did corruption change definition? Corruption definition, or the Ben assessment definition say MPP for their corruption, but the NDC for their corruption, and no, they just say it's so bad. It's so bad. The NDC moyen is so bad. Muma wenina ho because aleno yejing ochna ho obi nim tomorrow. And when you create the impression, and that's the impression I'm creating with oral, abesi nemu to me go prosecute obia. Because I feel na mo temo ho asese court, enya bonting. Court there many NDC headquarters. The court is not NDC headquarters. In the Niama Amokika or campaign platforms, then we go jail them, almost 2 years in how many cases the multi jail because they do court there. Standard no yet propaganda. Who do court? The standard to prosecute somebody and jail the person. It is not based on propaganda. It is based on admissible evidence and proven by beyond reasonable doubt. Beyond reasonable doubt. Inti me say me support miracle abuaje 1 second. So when this and you can prove it beyond reasonable doubt, but want to me prove it. Now you no one say yen chino say there be a miracle no way to no guy no ye no. It's and this kind of cycle where NDC ba no achinko for MPP so ba no achinko for tie e me yase fu0 just e duru wa mum na moko demonstration here. It is not helping Ghana democracy no. This politics of way back no actually opponent, where suba no actually opponent, and more Ghana, and see factory back home. And this day and age, woman, they pay any the Ghana democracy, Ghana system structures, I bet to say China for the create jobs for the people, focus on 24-hour economy, no, focus on getting what's a woman, who to me at the church in Kofa, what's woman, Kokon getting Kofa Kumari, went to Yankochi, who bet you political opponents in Kokon getting Kofa. And watching coconut one to me and Kochomu with the same vim. What's here? And how they teach political opponents. It's just sad. Emu dia na priority. The encounter focus on 24-hour economy no. And what did we are and I am a Yama President Mahama, seriously President Mahama. I am a Yama President Mahama, knowing the kind of person President Mahama is. I am a Yamano. It was so what they vim your channel to priorities about.